One of the most useful consumer electronic devices to become popular in recent times is the activity tracker, which lets you keep a tab on your fitness goals, plan out your daily exercises, check your diet, and do a lot more. Considering that many of us spend a good part of our daily routine in sedentary jobs or other low physical intensity activities, with very little time to consciously control our diet, a device like this can be an essential aid in reorienting our focus towards our health. But many potential users of trackers are put off by the complex, expensive devices available in the market and feel the need for an affordable beginner option that lets them check firsthand if this product is for them. The Jawbone Up-Move Activity Sleep Tracker is ideal for such users.
Here we go!
This tracker from Jawbone is designed to help you lose weight and get fit, and have fun while doing it. This competitively priced device not just lets you get a good idea of the potential of a tracking device so that you can upgrade to a more expensive option if you want to, but it comes packed with enough features of its own so that you can continue using it over a long term and not feel like you are losing out on any substantial aspect in this product category. The Up-Move version we are featuring comes in an attractive, bright ruby red color, but you can have the option of choosing and mixing a bunch of other color options to fit your style too. Beyond the cute looks of this device that weighs a very light 0.22 ounces, it's the features that had us quite impressed. The tracker works in combination with the free Jawbone Up app, which works on both Apple and Android systems. It syncs wirelessly with the app so that your data is readily available to you on your smartphone or tablet. The Up-Move tracks your steps, exercise, overall calories burned, hours slept, and quality of sleep, giving you a comprehensive idea of your daily activities. If you wear it through the night, you also get insights that will help improve your sleep, an important aspect of your health. You can also use it to track your food, drink, calories, and nutrients, and then use the Up app food score to know if you are eating right and get information on reaching your ideal weight. The Smart Coach feature gives you personalized insights that guide you to make healthier choices every day and delivers the motivation you need to reach your fitness goals. The device also connects you with friends and family, so you can reach your goals together or see how you measure up on team leaderboards. Attractive looks, efficient functioning, and extremely affordable, the Jawbone Up-Move is the perfect activity tracker designed especially for users new to this product category and can serve as a great gift for the young members of your family too. Close to 2,400 customer reviews have given it a very respectable average rating of 3.6 on 5 stars, and, as expected, the overall value it offers seems to be the biggest asset of this device. That's about all we have for now on the Jawbone Up-Move Activity and Sleep Tracker. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of activity trackers here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.